students, myself Vijay Pratap Singh. Today we are going to discuss about your topic departmental store. Now we have to discuss about what is the meaning of department and what is the meaning of departmental store. Before that, I had explained you about wholesaler, retailer and customer. With the help of these all things, we are getting our goods and services from each and every companies, otherwise from production companies. This is the process and this is the source. In first step, I had told you, first we are getting our goods and services from the manufacturer companies, and after that manufacturing companies are coming on the chain. With the help of first chain is a wholesaler, second one is a retailer, and third one is a customer. We can say consumer. In same way, we have to discuss about departmental store. After retailer, we have to discuss about departmental store. In departmental store, each and every materials are going to located. Otherwise, we can say in one roof, each and every material should be put for the customer. We are providing services with the help of departmental store. This is the important part. According to that, we have to discuss what is the departmental store and what is the importance of these all things and what is the feature of departmental store. So come on the point. A departmental store is a large retail showroom. What it is a? It is a large retail showroom. It's the important part. Departmental store is a showroom, we can say. It's a showroom of each and every goods and services. With the help of that, we are getting these all services in one roof, having a number of departments under only one roof. With the help of that, we can say these all materials we can able to get with the help of only departmental store. Departmental store is a large retail showroom. This is the retail. With the help of that, we can able to learn it. Next one, each department specializing in one line of product should be put here. With the help of that, we can purchase it. In one roof, each and every material we can able to purchase with the help of these all things. This is the important part. That's why we are reading these all things. Next one is the coming in front of you, main feature of departmental store. In front of you, I have written 8 features. First, we have to discuss his name. After that, one by one, what is the feature of these all things. First one is a large size. Second, wide range. Third one is a departmentally organized. And next one is a central purchase. And next, central location, services, middleman and advertising. These are the main feature of departmental storage. With the help of that, we can say when we are going to make departmental store, we are getting these all features with the help of that. First one is given in front of you, large size. Each and every material we are getting inside in a one single room. That one is called showroom. Second one is given wide range. Each and every material we are getting inside in the room, means in the showroom. That one is called wide range. Each and every material are provided inside in the store. Next one is departmentally organized. Each and every work should be here in the proper way. All goods and services are provided and organized in the proper way. When you have to go and see that departmental store as a showroom, you have to get each and every material should be in the systematic order. That one is the explanation of departmental store. Next one is the central purchase. Central purchase is the important part. With the help of that, we can able to discuss these all things. That's why central problem, otherwise central purchase should be the process of showroom. In that showroom is the center of each and everything. We can say that midpoint. On that place, we can able to purchase each and every goods and services. And next one is given in front of you. Central location. Central location, that one is given here. This is the also part of the area. Here I have told you purchase means we are going to purchase on the particular place, and that place is the location. Suppose for example I had started or opened my showroom on any particular place. That place we have to locate. That one is called central location. On that area we are getting each and every goods and services. These are the quality and location of these all things. Next one is given in front of you. Services. Service. The service is also main important part of our departmental store. We are opening these types of showrooms only providing service to our customers or consumers. That's why we are opening departmental store or showroom. Why? We want to provide goods and services to each and every customers. When we are going to give these types of services, we are getting profit. That's why we are opening storeroom, otherwise departmental store. Next one is the middleman. When we are opening these types of departmental stores or showroom, it is working as a middleman, because suppose we want to purchase anything, we have to go in the showroom and we have to purchase these all goods and services. That's why we can say our departmental store is a middleman. This is the link between customer and wholesaler. And last one is given in front of you. Advertising. Advertising, you know very well. With the help of that, we are getting advertisement. Suppose when you are watching TV, you are getting advertisement, reading newspaper, magazine, in radio, everywhere you are getting advertisement with the help of flex board and other all things. Same thing, that ad we are getting with the help of departmental store or showrooms also. They are also providing each and every advertisement sources. With the help of that, we can able to utilize, we can able to get these all features. So in front of you, now I had explained about the departmental store. Here in front of you is the written meaning. Once again listen, a departmental store is a large retail showroom having a number of departments under one roof. Each department specializing in one line of product. And after that, next one is given in front of you. Main features of departmental store. First one is a large size. Next, wide range. Departmentally organized. Central purchase. Central location. Services, middleman, and advertising. With the help of these all things, we can able to know what is the explanation and feature of departmental store. Now dear students, with the help of these topics, you have to maintain your notes and share this video to your friends and subscribe my channel and prepare it well for your annual exam. Thank you all to given your special time for listening this lecture. Thank you.